say get we are trying to find a good reason just to be with you. You say get we are trying to find a good.
What's up? It's Breathy Beautician back again with another video. So today we have the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray, the Murray's Beeswax, the Dax Wave and Groom, It Up Spritz, rubber bands, clips, and a ponytail holder. So the first thing I'm going to do is section her hair off, sectioning off the front from the back. And I am going to start with the back because this is a low ponytail. Just a disclaimer, behind the camera I do have paper towel testing the pressing comb before I apply it to her hair. So I'm going to go through and press the back, and then we're going to begin molding the back of her hair.
Put up your solo cause go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. With 2 fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh yeah, the voices almost had me in the ground, but I'm better now. Hey, yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Staring as you should. Showing what I'm proud. Yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Happy staring as you should. Put up your solo card. To the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1. To that, pop to that, pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. To that, yeah. To that, yeah. To that, yeah. Put up your solo call. Go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, I'm doing things my way. Look how far that I've come. The 2 fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1. You reached the end of a chapter. Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it. Know that was hardship, got through the hardship. Yeah, you got through it. Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you a fighter. Put up your solo cause go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. With 2 fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh yeah, the voices almost had me in the ground, but I'm better now. Hey, yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Staring as you should, showing what I'm proud. Yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Happy staring as you should. Put up your solo card. Do it, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've gone. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1. Hey, pop to that, 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 yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Put up your solo card. Do it, put that shit up. Yeah, I'm doing.
So here I'm just going to section off her nape, and then I'm going to start my base there. I'm going to use a little bit of the beeswax for the back of her hair and this back section. I'll probably only use the beeswax just for the perimeter. I don't use it throughout the head because it's really hard to shampoo out. So once you get that back section together, you can secure it with one small rubber band, and then the rest of that back section, I'm just going to split it in half, and that's really how I add to the ponytail. Going in between this first section, I'm just going to spray some light holding hairspray because I do want it to form, but I don't want to lock it in case I have to go back and comb through. So for back here, it's better to use just like a normal to light holding hairspray.
Put up your solo cards. Go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2.
So once I comb all that hair down, I'm actually gonna pull that first rubber band out because I no longer need it. And then now I'm going to apply the ponytail holder that I showed you guys earlier.
Solo car, do it, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've gone. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump.
So I always do the right side first. So I'm gonna start pressing and flat ironing this right side of her head, and then I'm going to mold that side, and then I'm gonna do the left side and do the same thing over there.
To that, pop to that, pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. To that, yeah. To that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Put up your solo card. Do it, put that shit up. Yeah, I'm doing things my way. Look how far that I've gone. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1. reached the end of a chapter. Congratulations, I'm so glad that you made it. No, that was hard shit, got through the hardship. Yeah, you got through it. Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you a fighter. Put up your solo cups. Go ahead, pour that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. We two fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jumped. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2. 21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh yeah, the voices almost had me in the ground, but I'm better now. Hey, yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Staring as you should. Showing what I'm proud. Yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Happy staring as you should. Put up your solo card. Go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've gone. Put two fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1. Hey, pop to that, 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 yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Pop to that, yeah. Put up your solo card. Go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, I'm doing things my way. Look how far that I've come. Little fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1.
So once I secure this right side, I'm going to take one rubber band and I'm going to put it around the ponytail twice because I'm just using these as placeholders. And for those in the back, that piece of hair that's sticking up is from the right side, and it's only sticking up because the rubber band is tighter than the ponytail holder. Well, it's smaller, so it kind of like made it tighter, if that makes sense.
21 years, that's crazy. Didn't think I'd make it here, finding daily battles. So glad I broke the cycles. And I've been so stressed out, mind filled with this dark cloud. Oh yeah, the voices almost had me in the ground, but I'm better now. Hey, yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Staring as you should. Showing what I'm proud. Yeah, I'm looking good. Yeah, I'm showing out. Happy staring as you should. Put up your solo card. Go ahead, put that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've gone. Put two fingers, yeah, up to the obstacles that we jump. Yeah, we all grown up. Give it up to the big 2-1. Give it up to the big 2-1.
So now I'm actually going to remove that ponytail holder, and then I'm going to secure the entire ponytail with one of those thick, what's that, like 1/2 inch rubber bands. It might be less than 1/2 inch, but those really thick rubber bands. So we're extending this ponytail. So now I'm going to feed in some braiding hair, and I'm going to braid the braid all the way down to like mid back, because she requested it butt length. So since like a month or two ago, I sew all of my low ponytails. Some people's have slid out, just being honest, and sometimes like people are rough laying on it, and they're just applying too much pressure. So if you sew the ponytail with needle and thread, you'll have no issues. So for her wraparound piece, I'm going to take a vertical slice because I want it to come down a little further than I normally would wrap it. And I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued gel in the yellow tube to help wrap that piece around and secure it.
Everything you did, you put your mind to it. I'm proud of you. Mama always said you a fighter. Put up your solo cups. Go ahead, pour that shit up. Yeah, we doing things our way. Look how far that we've come. We do finish it up to the.
And guys, please don't forget to blow dry this. You have to dry this gel and this spray or it will unravel. So once I bumped the ends with the flat irons, this is how it turned out, guys. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. As always, thanks for watching, and please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.